Hello friends, today we will know tea without milk relieves stomach pain. If you are ever troubled by stomach pain, then you do not need too much because tea without milk relieves it in minutes. Yes, natural tea leaves have antioxidant properties which are destroyed by the elements casein found in milk. These properties of antioxidant are most in green and white tea, but do not take milk and sugar tea even by mistake. Tea without milk not only increases the glow of your face but also improves the digestive system. By drinking tea without milk and sugar, you not only remain fit and healthy but you will also get rid of many diseases. People who drink tea without milk never become obese. If a person is fat and want to be slim, then drink tea without milk every day. If someone has a cold, has a lot of phlegm and cough, then he should drink tea without milk. If someone has any disease of the mouth or has bad breath, then you can consume tea without milk. Tea without milk is very beneficial as any type of fever. You can consume it. This tea helps in improving the digestive system and reducing problems like gas and bloating. The antioxidants present in tea without milk, such as flavonoids, help improve heart health and control blood pressure. The antioxidants present in tea help protect the skin from pollution and keep it healthy. Tea without milk contains catechin, which helps strengthen the body immune system. It is important to note here that excessive consumption of tea without milk may cause restlessness or sleep problems to some people, as it contains caffeine. For giving such a similar and great Ayurvedic information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.